What's up, YouTube? Black Feather Snipes back at you with another video. It might be a little noisy. I'm in the middle of a Starbucks right now, but we're going to try and get through this. Um, so I found my screener, Baby Bitcoin. As you guys can see, the relative volume for this is 13.47. It's at the top of the charts. That's what I typically the first thing I screen for. Um, then you can see the 6 month performance is up, 3 month, 1 month change percentage, 1 week change percentage, and it's down 1% for the day. Um, so it's trending in the right direction, and then the relative volume is fairly high for this particular play. So it's basically let you know that a lot of people are getting in more than the average. So I clicked on that to further see what the chart looks like, and I went to the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, we can see a lot of these higher wicks to the upside, and it was after a long drop down, and that's what we like to see because, like I said before, price has memory. It would like to go back up to the highs of where it was at before. So right now, on the weekly chart, we can see the 5 EMA is trading above the 20 SMA. And for the last few weeks, it was trading in a zone, and now we're breaking out of that zone. Um, and then, so that's the first thing I notice on the weekly chart, and then I'll go to the daily chart just to make it more clear. And as you guys can see, that zone on the weekly chart corresponds to all this price action on the daily chart. So since about August 7th, all the way till September 20th, it was trading in this range. And we can tell by that because all of the 95% of the price action is within this zone of consolidation. And you have a couple days where it went below it, but it came right back into the box. It went above it for a day and came right back into the box. So typically we would like to see, we had a candle close above this level, so we would like to see a continuation on this candle to see if it can push higher, or we would like to see a retest, hold it, and then push higher. As you guys can see, we're at a volume shelf right here, which is why it's resistance, why we're getting a red candle. But yeah, you guys can also see the volume spike on this play. The average volume was all the way down here. In the last couple of days, we had it up here, and now this one is way up here. So yeah, a good entry would be right now. You could have bought it after it broke out, but given that it only traded for a day outside of this range and then came back in, I'll wait a day or two to see before we pull the trigger on this to see if we really want to, if this thing really wants to break out of this zone. We do have strong volume, which we didn't have back there. But like I said, you guys just want to tell yourself a story of why you should be getting into this. I would say to be more safe, I would wait for a candle close above this 0.00049 level. If we get a candle close above that and a continuation, I would look to trade this all the way to the highs of 0.0059 and 0.0075. And then after that, the next level of resistance would be most likely this level right here, 0.00103. But where it's at right now, guys, I'll just give you guys some price projections right now. If I can remember. Give me 1 second, guys. Which one is it? This one. Okay. So from where it is right now to that next level would be 25% gain. Then that next level would be a 60% gain. And then all the way up here would be 120% gain. And like I said, guys, on the weekly, we're trading above the SMA and the EMA. We're closing above that, so this thing is showing a lot of momentum to the upside right now. But that's this coin, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll get back at you guys later. Turn on that notification bell so you stay up to date with my content. But that's it for this video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.